This is a CellTech enclosed cargo trailer. CellTech builds trailers unlike anyone else in the industry. Most enclosed trailers are aluminum panels. CellTech doesn't. These are patented CellTech metal panels, hot-dipped galvanized steel skins finished with an anti-corrosion primer and a tough poly top coat. Inside, the core is galvanized steel bonded with structural adhesive. That means excellent durability and zero flex, even when you're fully loaded. And the best part? Every trailer is backed by a 10-year warranty. The strength doesn't stop at the walls. You're hauling a galvanized main frame, tandem 7K pound torsion axles with electric brakes and a payload capacity of more than 11,000 pounds. CellTech trailers aren't just built tough, they're built to work smarter. The roof carries up to 1,000 pounds, giving you extra storage for tools and gear. In the back, the Safe Assist ramp is rated for 3,500 pounds, making heavy equipment easy to haul. Pair that with E-Track, and the options for customizing your setup are endless. CellTech trailers are built different, designed to keep up with the hardest workers. With patented CellTech metal walls, a roof that hauls more, and a heavy-duty ramp, this could be the all-in-one solution you've been looking for. That's the CellTech difference. If tough trailers are your thing, hit subscribe. We've got plenty more to show you.